Hello, hello! Welcome to my new episode. Another day, another ganap sa bahay. Charot. So, vacuum dito, vacuum doon. Yun lang naman yung ganap ko for today. Linis-linis. Alam nyo, yung walang katapusang linis kasi may nalinis ka na, mamaya kalat ulit. So, alam nyo rin yan kasi relate kayo dyan. So, for today's ganap, ayan nga, vacuum here, vacuum there, vacuum everywhere. At syempre, mop later para malinis talaga yung sahig. Alam nyo guys, talagang super happy ako sa ginagamit kong steam mop. So, ito share ko lang about sa steam mop na ginagamit ko kasi talagang mas prefer ko siya kaysa traditional mop. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi mas madali at effective. So, easy and effective gamitin. I-plug nyo lang. After how many seconds, iinit na siya. Tapos, ready to use na. Alam nyo yung 100 degrees Celsius at higit pa ata ang boiling point niya. So, talagang sure ka na makakapatay siya ng germs. Ganun. Hindi na kailangan ng matatapang na sabon or any chemicals para matanggal yung dumi at mga mancha sa sahig. So, talagang happy ako gamitin at saka talagang mas prefer ko ito kaysa normal na basahan or traditional mop na ginagamit. Ganon. You want pickles?
Yeah, pickles.
Okay, Mommy will do pickles. Yeah. You don't need to eat it if you don't want it, yeah? It's okay.
Mommy, for Daddy.
Daddy is still at work.
Daddy's hungry.
Daddy's hungry.
Yeah.
Stop. Can you excuse Mommy? Can you give me...
Yeah.
Can you excuse Mommy? I need space. Can you go down?
Sure.
Thank you. Sure. Thank you, baby. You want more rice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
This ever 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 5.
Yeah. It's that. Oopsie.
Mommy, this funny.
So, Alicia's 1 egg and 2 eggs. Alicia has also 1 egg, 2 eggs.
Mommy, for baby.
Also for baby. Don't worry. Ay.
Mommy, for baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
For baby.
Oops. This is for mommy.
For mommy. For daddy. For baby.
Yeah.
For gas. Yeah.
Anichka. Yeah. Ta. Can you go sit down on the table now?
Yeah.
Here. Mm. Alicia, can you go sit down also on the table now?
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, yes, mommy will give you, okay? Wait lang.
I don't want mommy there. Eat. careful.
Yeah, it's hot, yeah?
Mommy, I don't want to eat tomato. I don't like tomato. Okay, I eat tomato.
Here. Sige na.
I don't want to eat. I see. Mommy, I need to blow my nose. Thank you.
Come here. Na, hali. I have a lot of ham here if you want, okay? See? I have a lot of ham here, okay? Do you want your ketchup? Eat na, ya? Sige na, eat na. I want my ketchup, but my...
Mommy, it's spicy.
Yes, it's spicy ketchup, mommy. Spicy ketchup. Sige na, eat na.
Because not really hot.
Yeah, I don't eat it with using my hands, only with fork. Mommy will slice it for you, okay? Thank you. Sige na, eat na, dali. Nagkinamot na ang isa.
Mommy, later.
Need eh?
I need a cutter.
Okay, wait. Mommy help, yeah? Here.
Thank you.
Welcome. It's good?
Yeah, like it's so yummy.
That's very nice. Oh, look, Daddy is so handsome here. Look.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mommy,
so handsome, Daddy.
Mommy, Anishka still cry like she's a baby still. Mommy, Anishka still a baby although she cries.
Yeah.
Mommy, stop it with towel.
What?
Stop it with towel, my jelly.
That is in the wellness. You know, we went to sauna with Daddy and that's why.
Woo!
Who's that?
Anishka.
Danik is there, look.
Yeah, she's turning around like this. We go swim there last time. Look at the TV.
Yeah, I love that place.
Dirty. Or did you put one more cellphone? One more, blood.
Mommy, can I make my mask?
Yes, your mom.
I make it.
Sabi,
I really have.
Ano pa galing, ma?
That's the one I made.
Nah, you just, don't
Make it up here. If you want in the bathroom. Okay. Mommy.
Yeah. So, ayan, dumating na si Tata. So, eto, kakain na lang yan siya. Kasi kami, tapos na. So, solo flight siya ngayon sa pagkain. Kaya dyan na siya sa sala. Pero normally talaga, sa kitchen kami kumakain. So, after niyang kumain, ililigpit niya ang Christmas tree. Kasi nga, January na, 'di ba? So, medyo matagal nang nakatayo yung Christmas tree dyan. At, syempre, banding-banding muna with the kids. Kasi whole day siyang wala, nasa trabaho. So, pagdating niya, ayan, konting lambingan with his little girls. At, syempre, Netflix chill-chill na lang.